Okay, good morning. Kind of wanted to get this published before I go on a live chat this morning so people can see it if they want. This is the newest art journaling book by Stampington and Company. They are the umbrella company and they have many magazines. I have been published in many of them. It is always an honor. This particular one is $15. And it's $17 in Canada, and I know that you can't get it in the UK, or at least I have heard that. So you will see lots and lots of ideas that are very similar to what we do here on the table. Gorgeous, gorgeous work. But the reason that I'm bringing you to the table this morning is this is my or our article. And these are some pages out of an altered book. You may have seen it, you may not have seen it. I don't know. It's an old Nancy Drew book, so I saved the inside cover. So it's called Recovering an Old Book, Telling a New Story by LorriMarie Jenkins. And I'm going to go ahead and read it to you since some of you won't be able to get your hands on it. I hear a soft voice coming from the pile of old abandoned books in the basement of the local library sale. Pick me, please. I have pages that have gotten wet and wrinkled. The paper is a bit musty and discolored from time. But if you take the time to flip through my pages, I have a story to tell. Just listen to the soft whispers as the yellowed pages brush against one another. My signatures are sewn in and my spine is strong, just the way you like your books. So please take me home with you. I will quietly tell my story and support the new tales of your daily journey through life. Of course, I cannot resist. I tenderly turn the pages of this treasure, breathing it in, listening to it. I will take this book home with me, and we will tell another story together. So here are some more pages out of the book. Filling the pages. As I approach each book, I'm a bit anxious about how there is a blank canvas at every turn. The hunt begins by digging through all sorts of books and magazines, looking for those perfect images. Sometimes they're whimsical, sometimes eerie. I never know what is going to catch my eye. I cut, I rip, I tear, and then, the heart of the collage page. The heart of the collaged page is forming in my mind. Setting those images aside, I revisit the blank pages. To reinforce the pages, I glue a few of them together so they are strong. I always start with the underpants. I keep a pile of torn pages, bits and pieces of preciousness on my desk at all times. This allows me to start the relationship with the book with each 2-page spread. Then here's the last image that they show with a boho bead. Layers and more layers. Old pages, watercolors, acrylics, texture paste, and sandpaper. What is my mood today? I always add layers, layers, and more layers. The more layers I can create, the more depth the artwork will have. When I am content with the background, I start to construct the collage. I spend most of my time creating the background. For me, that is where the energy is. The collage is the frosting on the cake, so to speak. I finish every piece and every page with the smoky finish of my Stabilo All pencil. The smoky finish that my Stabilo All pencil creates. Once the shadows are in place, I decide if dots or doodles will feel right. Finally, ta-da! The book and I have told our story for today. Then it has a little information about me, which you guys all know. Tips: make sure your book is healthy and sturdy. It is heartbreaking to have the journal fall apart halfway through. Sewn-in signatures are stronger than glued-in signatures. Remove about 20 to 40% of the pages so the book does not explode. Do not expect your book to ever close again. They are displayed open with the pages exposed. And then it says view my tutorial on preparing your book at, and then it has our video on that. So very, very fun. So for those that were not able to see it, here you go. All right, live chat soon. See you on the table.